Our new HD5 is a three-position device developed with harsh environments in mind, for example food and beverage applications. It sets a new standard in terms of reliability and functionality for three-position devices. Some of the benefits of HD5 are: it's easy to use with great ergonomics, the highest safety level is easy to achieve, the resistance to harsh environments enables extended usage in most environments, and the additional features such as extra buttons enable customized usage. A three-position device makes it possible to safely inspect a running machine, avoiding downtime and maintaining production. But what's unique with HD5 is that it enables inspection also in harsh environments, and especially food and beverage and pharmaceutical applications. Some of the features that enable this are IP65 rating, hygienic design without sharp edges where dirt and bacteria can be accumulated, the fiberglass reinforced plastic used in the housing minimize the risk of breakage and is approved for contact with foodstuff. It is also resistant to most cleaning fluids and chemicals used in the food and beverage applications. There is an anti-condensation membrane that prevents moisture from building up inside. And we have used laser permanent markings instead of stickers that could detach and end up in the food. Other notable optional features of HD5 are the 3 extra buttons for non-safe functions, the emergency stop, an integrated flashlight that helps inspection, it's a unique function on the market, the home position sensor that detects if it's removed from its holder. HD5 can be connected to safety controllers from ABB, B&R and all other suppliers on the market. It has CE mark, TÜV and UL approval in order to be used worldwide. We are confident that we have a great product to offer, and we are happy to inform that HD5 is among the winners of the GIT Security Award 2021.